Hello! In this tutorial, we will introduce you to adding shading using standard component blocks. During the tutorial, we will explain what standard component blocks are, show you how to add standard component blocks, and introduce you to the shading and reflection settings for component blocks. There are three types of component block used by Designbuilder.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.